Today is December 12th, and as usual, I'm more than happy to create this video lesson for you. I'm going to naturally, I guess, move on to pages 20 to 21 in the Handed to Jazz book, and again, do a very slow job of sight reading this song. I think they get more and more complex as the book goes on. Not really. Later on in the book, it actually kind of like seems to get less complex, like fewer chordal stuff and things. I don't know. It doesn't get too bad. Here on page 20, I sent the or I'm going to send the pictures of pages 20 and 21. At the top of page 20, the focus, they're talking about jazz phrasing, accenting the end of the phrase. They mean each phrase, right? So they mean clap, clap, accent. Hit, hit, hit. Let me see if I can count that better. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and that's the correct count. But notice how I had to do that count singing. 1 and 2 and 4, 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 4 and right. So again, like we talked about last time, quarter notes are in count singing are divided into its number, its respective number, order number in the measure, and an and. So each quarter note can be split up into 2/8 notes. The first one is called the number, and the second one is called the and, right? Or and. So what I'm saying is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4. I was trying to accent there. That doesn't have anything necessarily to do with the phrasing, the accent, but that is what helps me to count that correctly. It's one of those things as a jazz amateur. So here at the so below the jazz phrasing, right, we have a new concept called swing bass. It says contemporary. I guess what they mean is it wasn't a part of early jazz. Well, a lot of this stuff wasn't a part of early jazz, but whatever, that's fine. So this, I'm just playing in the focus box at the top of page 20. I'm not even playing the song yet. I don't know if I'm supposed to swing there, but or change the rhythm, but that's the rhythm that's written. All right, now I'm going to do my best to slowly sight read page 20. I'm going to get my hand into position first, which essentially is like 1 on E in the right hand. And the left hand starts with this low, well, what they have at the top, a low C, followed by E and B flat. And then F, E flat, and A. Anyway, so there's a lot of this stuff. I'm going to do my best, and I'm going to try to swing. Maybe that's a bad idea, but we'll see. E and A flat is so weird. I don't know why. And just for your reference, on measure 12. I'm going so slowly. Holy cow, what is that? That's a B flat. The very, very lowest note in measure 15 in the left hand. That's a B flat. Holy cow. Oh, I'm sorry. E is still flat. All the way through the measure, Heather. A return of the original theme at the beginning. Holy cow, an F sharp and a B flat. Ew, that doesn't sound right, but it is. Weird. Just strange stuff, eh? So, you expect jazz to be a little out of the box, but that was, some of those chords were just almost like they didn't follow some of the time. But anyway, that is the gist of the song. I would say the hardest part of the whole thing is just the accidentals. Golly, like E is flat, E is natural, the next measure, E is flat again, F is sharp, E is flat, E's natural now. You know what I mean? So just kind of paying attention to, I don't know, just the switching. I've always told you, that sight reading is really about paying attention to changes, right? From measure to measure, from note to note, from chord to chord, right? You're asking yourself, really, what's changing? Is anything changing? Well, everything's changing. Oh, okay. Well, only one note is changing, right? Where are we moving? That's for me is a lot of what the essence of sight reading is. And in this song, that really it exemplifies that. You can see that all the way through. Oh, it's different now. Oh, this is normal again. Oh, jump down here. It's just kind of an all over the place, kind of a confused one, but great for sight reading. Holy cow, for sure. Just really wonderful. And then the big jump, of course, from C to E on the bottom, B flat on the top. You're going to do that a few times. That's at the top of page 20. That's in that focus box. It's their new swing bass. And, you know, a lot of the time, I felt when I was sight reading this, I felt the constant beat inside, right? Underneath everything. And because I felt secure in the ongoing, unceasing beat that I felt inside, that internal sense of rhythm, I was able to kind of let go and sometimes ignore when, oh, the right hand's coming in, oh, the right hand was a little longer there, or the left hand should have gone. I let a lot of that go because I knew that everything would catch up. And what I mean is, if I feel and I happen to be off, I'm going to find myself instead of in other words, the first time I improvised, I could wait a little bit. I could be late because I knew when the beat was, I anticipate the beat and I know when it's coming. So I know that's easier said than done. But that's just one of the things I noticed, I guess, about this song or whatever. This is really neat. I can't wait to see a video or see you next week. Play your breakthrough, as you call it. That's super, super cool. And next week's normal. Next week's just the 19th. I won't see you on the 26th, but I'll see you on the 19th for sure. I'll see you then. I look forward to it. Have a great week.